Hello, there is a sentence that can help you to instantly look professional in meetings, and I want to share it with you. When giving your opinion, say, here is what I recommend based on what we've known so far. For example, when Abundant used this statement in a meeting, our colleagues nodded in affirmation. She sounded prepared, thoughtful, and confident. This line does not only position you as a strategic thinker, it also brings everyone to your side because your opinion is based on what has already been decided or accepted by everyone in the room. Try it very soon and come back to comment whether or not it worked. For more quick work tips like this, click the follow button.